If you're using ChatGPT like a smarter Google, you're wasting 90% of its power, and that's not your fault. Most people never unlock the features that turn ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into a personal AI assistant that knows who you are, what you need, and how you think. But in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to flip all the right switches and activate the version of ChatGPT you were meant to use. Welcome to Tech and Mind. Let's make your AI actually work for you. And listen, stay till the end, because the last tip is a diamond almost nobody talks about, not even the big AI creators. Let's begin. The number one mistake everyone makes. Most people talk to ChatGPT like it has amnesia every single time. They reintroduce themselves, they retell their goals, they hope ChatGPT magically gets them. But here's the truth, ChatGPT becomes 10x smarter the moment you personalize it. You set it up once, and from that point on, it understands your job, your goals, your communication style, your preferences, and even the way you like answers to be structured. Let me show you how to unlock this. Step 1. Open the Personalization panel. 1. Click your profile icon, bottom left. 2. Go to Settings, Personalization. This is your AI control room. This is where ChatGPT stops being a chatbot and becomes your chatbot. Step 2. Set the base tone, who ChatGPT should be. This setting defines ChatGPT's personality. You can keep the basic tone, or turn it into a friendly coach, a confident expert, a witty partner, your personal hype machine. Every option changes how it thinks and speaks. Step 3. Custom instructions, the real superpower. This is the engine room. Here you tell ChatGPT exactly how to respond. More professional, more chill, more direct and decisive? You choose. If a question has multiple possible answers, ChatGPT will automatically choose the best one for you. This is how you turn generic responses into laser-sharp answers tailored to your workflow. I personally use the witty style, energetic, fun, smart. Step 4. Nickname, simple but powerful. This is how ChatGPT will address you. Your name, your online alias, your gamer tag, whatever fits your personality, it strengthens the personal assistant feel. Step 5. Your occupation, be specific. Do not write, I'm a student. Write, I'm a computer science major learning Python. Give me clear code examples and simple explanations for complex topics. The more precise you are, the smarter ChatGPT becomes. This is the part where it adapts to your world. Step 6. The hidden gem, more about you. This is where 99% of people miss the real magic. This section turns ChatGPT into your personalized AI brain. Example, my priority is real-world usefulness. Suggest free tools, skip heavy theory, keep it sharp, clear, and practical. Answer in English, use expert tone, bullet points, and simplify complex ideas. One-time setup, lifetime upgrade. ChatGPT will tailor every response to your style, your goals, your mindset. This is where the transformation happens. A quick note about chats. When you start a new topic, open a fresh chat. It gets saved on the left side. Don't want to clutter your list? Use temporary chat, dotted circle, top right. Perfect for quick tasks. Just remember, temporary chats are not saved after you close ChatGPT. And now, the diamond tip, the one almost nobody knows. I've watched dozens of videos, tutorials, breakdowns, and everyone tries to explain ChatGPT in their own words. But here's the secret. The best way to learn ChatGPT is to let ChatGPT teach you. And almost nobody tells you this. See the little voice chat icon next to the search bar? Tap it. Now you don't need to type. And more importantly, you can ask ChatGPT anything about itself. Like, what can you do that most people don't know about? Show me your hidden features. How can I use you more efficiently for my goals? Explain how you recommend I use you for my task. ChatGPT will reveal every ability, straight from the source. No more searching YouTube, guessing features, reading articles, watching tutorials. You ask, it explains. You explore, it guides you. This is full power mode. Conclusion. And that's it. Now your ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's your personal AI partner that knows your goals, understands your style, and helps you without even touching the keyboard. Pretty cool, right? And listen, this is only the beginning. There are features inside ChatGPT that even advanced users haven't discovered yet. So if you want the next level, make sure you're subscribed, because the real magic starts from here.